Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 14 of saving $6 a day in July with my minis. So I'm going to put my $6 right there for a second. And I am using my little quarter minis set that I have in my Etsy. And let's get out, well, let's put our money away. We probably need some more ones. All right, so we'll put our 5 away and then our 1s in the back. And then our prop coins, which equal $6, but they're all quarters. So even though I want to shuffle them, there is absolutely no need because they are all quarters. We're going to start here where our little paper clip, which is not a paper clip, it is a bookmark. I have my D3. I think I'm good. All right. Oh, I really want to mix that up. We're just going to start. So 1 gets 1. 2 gets 1. 3 gets 1. We're going to be here for a while. 4 gets 1. I love my 1. Okay, 5 is like, I'm going to be different and give 3. 6 gets 1. Ooh, 3 for 1. 1 for 2. 2 for 3. 3 for number 4. 1 for number 5. 2 for number 6. Wow, we get to go back again. 3 for 1s, and we just have 1 left. So that is going to go on number 2, and we are going to start at number 3 tomorrow. All right. Let's get as little glare as possible. All right, so number 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Wow, $1.75 going into number 1. And this is Happy Earth Day from Saving with Sam. So we can do 7 more drops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, I'll be right back. All right, there we go. 1 got a lot. All right, number 2 got 75 cents. And, oh, we needed $1. Bummer. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of the 50. And then a 25. So that's 75 cents, which is what we have. So we should finish this one tomorrow. Okay, and then number 3, we got 75 cents. And this one is from Vicki at Pink Plum Budgeting. So we already finished that one, so we're going to work on this one. And this is going to be 3 more squares. All right, so that just needs 75 more cents to finish that little bunch. All right, number 3. What did I just do? Don't answer that. Okay, I know what I did. Everything's fine, all good. So number 4. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. This one is from Becca Budget 777. So we can do a whole nother row of squares. Perfect. That's fun. Squares are also fun to color. It's not just circles. All right, number 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have $1 going into number 5. This is a new set from Kimmy's Corner that I put in yesterday, so we can do 4 of them. So I will do 4 more. Awesome. And then number 6. We got 1, 2, 3. We got 75 cents in number 6. And that's what we needed. Yay, we did finish one. We finished one for $5. That's going to the shark binder. Get my Crayola click, and I'll be right back. There we go, finished one for $5. Let's get a new one out. From Budget with Carly. I've lost an electron. Are you positive? Science jokes, I love them. All right, so each circle is 25 cents. We can't do anything today. Let's write shark binder on here. Oh, I love science. And I love jokes. All right, so we finished one for $5. So let's put our prop coins away, and then we will grab our $5 from our minis bank. And we will grab a $5 bill, and then this is going to go into the shark binder. So I can put this away because I know it's going to go into the shark binder. These are my completed. And then we can set that there. Shark binder. Put that there. Perfect. That is all I have today. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I appreciate it so much. I hope you have an awesome rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.